How to color code your labels in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can color code your labels in your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your mail. So this is my Gmail right here, and as you can see I have three different labels, each one with a different purpose. One is Google, one is miscellaneous, the other is Quora. So I just made this at random and I've just sort few of my mails in these three labels. So now if I want to organize my Gmail by using this label and making sure that I can just get it by looking at it once without having to read through each and every one of these labels by just the color, what I can do is I can simply put colors in this. So if I want to add colors to the label, I just hover over these labels and there you will see the three dots. Tap on it, and after you tap on it you will see the label color. So after you see the label color, you can actually just choose a color and it will just highlight it. So let's do this for our miscellaneous as well. So I'll just give this color a grayish tone, and with that, now for Quora I'll just give it a red color. So let me just choose the red one, and there we go. So yeah, this is how you can color labels. And yeah, now if I scroll down there, you will see that all of my labels are now highlighted or colored, and that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. This is how you can organize your Gmail by putting colors in your labels. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.